Now, the difference between T12 and T8 fluorescent tubes extends beyond just size. While the T designates tubular and the number indicates the diameter in eighths of an inch, meaning a T12 is 1.5 inches in diameter and a T8 is 1 inch in diameter, there are significant performance and efficiency differences. Firstly, energy efficiency is a major differentiator. T8 lamps are generally more energy efficient than T12 lamps. This means that for the same light output, a T8 lamp will consume less power, leading to lower energy bills. The efficiency difference is due to advancements in phosphor coatings and lamp design. Secondly, ballast compatibility is crucial. T12 and T8 lamps require different ballasts to operate correctly. A ballast regulates the voltage and current supplied to the lamp. Using the wrong ballast can result in lamp failure, reduced performance, or even safety hazards. T8 lamps typically use electronic ballasts, which are more efficient and offer better performance than the magnetic ballasts often used with T12 lamps. Thirdly, light output and color rendering are considerations. While both T12 and T8 lamps can provide adequate light output for many applications, T8 lamps often have better color rendering capabilities. Color Rendering Index, or CRI, measures how accurately a light source renders colors compared to natural sunlight. Higher CRI values indicate better color accuracy. T8 lamps typically have higher CRI values than T12 lamps, resulting in more vibrant and natural-looking colors. Fourthly, environmental impact is another factor. T8 lamps generally contain less mercury than T12 lamps. Mercury is a toxic substance, and reducing the amount of mercury in lamps is beneficial for the environment. Additionally, T8 lamps are often more recyclable than T12 lamps. Fifthly, the operational lifespan differs. T8 lamps typically have a longer lifespan than T12 lamps. This means that T8 lamps need to be replaced less frequently, reducing maintenance costs and downtime. The longer lifespan is due to improved lamp design and manufacturing processes. Sixthly, the cost is something to consider. While T8 lamps may have a slightly higher initial cost than T12 lamps, the long-term cost savings due to energy efficiency, longer lifespan, and reduced maintenance often outweigh the initial investment. Seventhly, flicker is a factor. T12 lamps, especially those used with older magnetic ballasts, are more prone to flickering than T8 lamps with electronic ballasts. Flickering can cause eye strain, headaches, and other health problems. Electronic ballasts used with T8 lamps provide a more stable and flicker-free light output. Eighthly, dimming capabilities are present in T8 lamps. T8 lamps are more readily available with dimming capabilities than T12 lamps. Dimming allows you to adjust the light level to suit your needs, further reducing energy consumption and creating a more comfortable environment. Ninthly, starting characteristics are distinct. T8 lamps with electronic ballasts typically start faster and more reliably than T12 lamps with magnetic ballasts. Electronic ballasts provide a consistent voltage and current to the lamp, ensuring a quick and reliable start. Tenthly, compliance with regulations should be noted. Due to their lower energy efficiency and higher mercury content, T12 lamps have been phased out in many regions. Regulations often favor the use of more energy-efficient lighting technologies like T8 and LED lamps. In summary, while the size difference is a visible distinction, the key differences between T12 and T8 fluorescent tubes lie in their energy efficiency, ballast compatibility, light output, color rendering, environmental impact, lifespan, cost, flicker, dimming capabilities, starting characteristics, and compliance with regulations. Making the switch to T8 lamps can offer significant benefits in terms of energy savings, performance, and environmental responsibility.